I just had my hair cut. Basically, they take a little bit of my hair since I don't want to shave all my head off. And they take it and I say Govinda, Govinda, Govinda 3 times or more than that as well. And then from there, after the hair is all collected, it's coming into these bins right here, right? So they know that when the hair is cut directly and fully shaved, they're going to rubber band it off. Otherwise, they're going to put the waste stuff on the ground like that and then put it straight in the bucket. Now, don't get confused. They're not going to separate the sales, right? Which is why a lot of suppliers have trouble because they're going to put all this in with the ponytails as well. Meaning if we buy a 100-kilogram bag, we're going to get 30% or even more of the hair that's wasted on the ground as well, right? So it's not just wastage hair that comes from the villages and other barbershops. It's also here at the temples with people like me and other people also that don't want to shave their whole head, that still want to cut their hair and pay their respects to the respective gods, follow their traditions. Or for me, just it's part of my business. It feels good. It feels right to come here and show my connection, offering, and sacrifice to these gods as well.